If you've ever felt self-conscious about the size of your breasts, you are not alone. You have probably felt that no matter how great your figure is, how beautiful your hair might be, how successful you are in life, that something is missing. If you've ever felt that having small breasts makes you feel like less of a woman, then read every word of this letter very carefully. My name is Jenny, and I was once in a cup. I was shy and I felt like I wasn't attractive, wasn't sexy. I felt like I wasn't woman enough to satisfy any man with my small bust line. It always seemed like the well-endowed girls were getting all the attention. How I discovered the magic formula. After years of suffering the turmoil of watching women with cleavage getting everything they want, I was determined to find a way to grow my breasts. I did not have many options left either. I risked losing the guy the first liked to the other girls, most of whom were B or C cups. My desperation to grow my breasts turned into an obsession, where I'd spend every day and night thinking about why some women have big breasts and some women have small breasts, like you and me. I ran round like a crazy maniac, sitting up all night reading through piles of books about the human body, all trying to find the cause of why breasts grow, and how I could manipulate it. God knows what people at work would have thought of me if they knew what I was up to at night, browsing through countless web pages, reading hundreds of books and actually interviewing many professionals. The library turned out to be my best friend, where I stumbled upon 5 books with proven ancient scientific knowledge on women's beauty. It was where I got hooked to read each and every word of those books. It seemed like I had found what exactly I needed. In those 5 major books, I was able to discover the powerful breast growth and firming secrets of Caucasian, Asian and Indian American women, used by them for centuries with proven results. My reading went on for weeks. I took notes and was determined to discover every secret about how to make my breasts grow. I had come too far to let it go. And then one night, everything suddenly into place like a giant jigsaw puzzle. It was so simple that I actually slapped myself across the face for not realizing it before. I felt disgustingly stupid over the fact that I had not seen what was going on. It was right in front of me. It really blew my mind. I had finally discovered the key to the lock. It felt like I had discovered a secret no one ever saw. And boy, did it work. I had gone from a cup to B cup within only 4.5 weeks, and I continued to apply the methods for another 6 weeks until I got to C cup size. It was all natural without any pills or creams. Trust me. This information is not only important. It's absolutely critical, must-have, fastest and surest way for any woman who wants to grow her breasts and make them firmer than ever before. I was amazed to see how much attention the sexy curves can get you from every gorgeous man out there. I was very happy because I grabbed the attention of my man. I remember when I finally started to have breasts that I was proud of, I would have walked around topless if I could. But instead, I did the next best thing and bought the tightest tops possible, showing off my new assets, and I immediately started getting a lot more attention for it. Using my methods, Linda Hopkins went from in a cup to a C cup in just 5 weeks and 5 days. It wasn't long until a few friends, including an old-time best friend Linda, approached me for help on making their breasts bigger. I had already taken detailed notes and done the research. So it took just 3 days for me to prepare a complete manuscript. I gave them my manuscript and agreed to help them out in every way I could. It was a matter of just 5 weeks and 5 days that my friend Linda called me up to say thanks. Jenny, you have really changed my life. I have been following all you said for 40 days now, and today had my boyfriend tell me that I looked different, actually more sexy than ever before, smiley face. I am now almost a C cup. I haven't got as much attention at any time of my life. All thanks to you, Jenny. One question. Do I have the permission to pass on your manuscript to a few friends, all of whom are very interested in your methods? If you are interested, please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. After little thought, I said, yes. This was soon followed by various emails and calls thanking me for the methods that had worked wonders for girls with flat breasts. I even had a few women call me to tell that they had got fuller and firmer breasts by following my routines. That was the time when I finally went on to realize the power of the internet to release my manuscript to the entire world in the form of Boost Your Bust digital guide. Imagine 4 to 6 weeks from now, you get to buy sexy clothes which show off your curves. You get to wear dresses which cling to every feminine part of your body, without fearing how your breasts will look in it. You finally start getting more attention from gorgeous men's smiley face. I guarantee that this information will change everything you have heard, seen or tried and will make your breasts grow like crazy. The problem with most of the information online is simple. They all tell you to boost the estrogen level inside your body. Sounds logical, right? Estrogen is the hormone which controls breast growth, so the more you have, the bigger your bust. Wrong. My big mistake in the early days was to focus on estrogen, the female hormone. But in reality, we all have enough estrogen in our bodies to make our breasts grow 10 cup sizes if we wanted. The real secret to getting bigger breasts is to control other hormones which suppress estrogen and breast growth. That is where my program is different from so many others, and is how you can get guaranteed success. The everyday foods which will make your breasts grow like a rocket. Hint: eat these and you'll never have to worry about small breasts again. The amazing breast massage, which will send growth hormones straight to your breasts. Hint: doing this simple massage before bed will instantly make your breasts more full and round overnight. The truth about estrogen, and how much you really need to consume to make your breasts grow. Top 10 bra-busting foods. These are the most effective foods for making your breasts grow every day. Secret breast growth recipes. Make delicious meals which will make your breasts grow fast. I'm going to show you everything you need to know to make some of the best foods for growing your breasts and putting them into the tastiest meals you've ever eaten. The super supplement that has been proven to boost breast growth in teens, and how you can use it to your own advantage. Hot. How to make your own breast enlargement cream. Don't buy any expensive over-the-counter creams which don't work. Instead, use this simple recipe to make one of the most potent solutions you'll ever find. The top 5 exercises which make your breasts instantly look bigger. The top 5 exercises which make your breasts instantly look bigger. Take just a few minutes to do these at home and you could actually make your breasts look double their original size. Clothing fashion secrets to make your breasts look bigger instantly. Here I reveal exactly which clothes you should, and shouldn't, wear to make your breasts look bigger and a lot more appealing. Hot. The super growth routine, which has helped hundreds of women grow their breasts by 1 to 2, or even 3 cup sizes. If you are interested, please click on the link below the video to watch the full content.